This thing gets hotter than your first date. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB. I love my garage. It fits 2 cars, it's my workspace, it houses all of my gear, and I've been filming YouTube videos in here for the past 4 years. But every winter, it's always freezing in this garage. And you can see my breath in a lot of those videos. The garage needed an upgrade, and a few weeks ago, I installed this Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU radiant natural gas heater in the garage. This gal gets hot. I can turn it on, and in 15 minutes or less, the garage is instantly warmer. If I leave it on for longer, I'm filming in a t-shirt, baby. It's 72 in here, jeez. It's 38 outside. This is amazing because I used to be out here freezing to death. And to help this video not freeze with the YouTube algorithm, would you mind hitting that like button? Thank you. So let's start this baby up. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this to pilot, and then I'm gonna hold it down. When I hold this down, I can hear the gas start to flow. And then after a few seconds, all I have to do is tap the igniter button. So here we go, I'm holding down the pilot, tap the igniter, boom, flame is on. And then from here, all I have to do is turn up the heat. Let's crank it. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you can see them light up. It's only been about 10 seconds and those things are starting to glow. Look at that, those things are bright orange now. In a few moments, the blower fan will kick on and oh, there it is. Now this heater can heat up approximately 1,000 square feet. It has an automatic low oxygen shutoff system. The blower fan automatically kicks on when it gets to a certain temperature inside, and then automatically turns off when the unit cools. Pretty cool. There's multiple burner tiles protected by a wire guard, and you can either wall mount this unit like I did, or you can have it stand on the floor. Had to back up a little bit. Now just so we're clear here, I am not an HVAC or gas line installing professional. I bought this unit with my own money, and I had another friend come in and run the gas lines to this unit and connect it. Now check this out. My friend ran the gas line and connected it directly to where our gas stove is. He then ran it along the ceiling, all the way, right to here. Then from here he went up a little bit and then 10 feet directly out to the garage. What was really pretty cool is you only needed to thread 1 pipe. And then from here, it was only sticking out a few inches. He just ran it up and connected it right to the unit. He linked everything together, tested for leaks, and we were good to go. I did have to buy a blower fan, which is hiding directly behind these vents, and a connection kit to complete this whole setup. The blower fan does run pretty quiet, and this is as loud as it gets. Now shutting it off is as simple as this. I just go up here to the turn dial, spin it, and she's off. The fan continues to go until it reaches a certain temperature. Now here's some other things that the garage gal and I did to this garage. We did a partial remodel back in 2015. We added more electrical, we insulated all the walls, and then installed this thicker paneling that resists damage. Things get bumped around in here a lot. And since I'm spending a lot more time in here, I figured it'd be a good idea to do a few more upgrades. Last spring, we had a new garage door installed because the last one broke in 2 spots during the Christmas blizzard. This one is about 4 times thicker, and I immediately noticed that it holds a lot more heat in. But I wasn't stopping there. After we installed the heater, I went ahead and insulated the ceiling. All these years, it's never been insulated, and all the heat, it's going right out through the ceiling. Heat rises, 7 rolls of insulation, and about an hour and a half later, we had a lot more heat being held in the garage. And to give you an idea of just how much heat the insulation alone was holding in, I looked at the thermometer on the wall before I put the insulation up there and it said 54 degrees. That evening, the temperature dropped outside, and after about an hour and a half of installing that insulation, the temperature in the garage went up to 62. That's pretty impressive. 8-degree difference right there with insulation alone. I'm gonna be so much happier here in the winter. I'm not gonna have to wear a heavy coat or multiple layers. I could be out here just in a thin shirt like this and I'll be fine. The only thing that grinds my gears here with this entire setup is that the igniter is battery powered. The power cord that's actually right here connects only to the blower. I'm excited to have this new heater. Couple that with the insulated walls, the insulated ceiling, the new garage door. Filming in here will be no problem at all. I'll have links to this heater and all its components linked down below in the description. And to see how we remodeled our entire garage with Gladiator Garage Works in the past, check out the video linked down below in the description as well. For more cool garage gear content, click or tap the screen right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.